friends, in today's short analysis video, we're going to discuss on PayPal's stock. It's an PayPal holding INC. My dear friends, this stock is currently on the verge of breakdown due to multiple negative factors trigger on the stock simultaneously. As a result, it gives us an opportunity to go short with the stock. We can initiate a short selling position before a downside corrections start. The stock has already broken down an important support level, and along with that, the stock has also materialized multiple negative factors, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to short sell this stock before a big corrections get triggered on the downside. My dear friends, if we'll make a closer look over here, this was the bottom where the stock had given a massive upside rally in the form of upward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading on this upward sloping parallel channel, the stock was triggered with multiple higher highs. If you could see over here, the first higher highs trigger over here, the second higher highs here, the third higher highs here, the fourth one over here, and the last higher highs over here. And the moment this upper sloping parallel channel got broken down on the downside, first time we have seen the higher highs got threat into a lower lows. And this is an area where we got a confirmation that stock is under corrections. Here we got a two major negative signal. The first negative signal is upward sloping parallel channel got broke on the downside. The second, the upward sloping parallel channel get break on the downside. And the second one is higher highs shifted to lower lows. Whenever we identify the lower lows getting shifted into higher highs getting shifted into lower lows, we take that as a confirmation that stock has started the corrections. And whenever the stock start the corrections, the very first thing that comes in your mind is to stay away from buying. If you are on a buy position at this moment on this stock, then be very careful. Watch out, guys, because this stock is going to give you a downside massive corrections unless and until it won't get close above the higher highs of the, or else it won't give you the closing above the previous higher highs. This stock will be going to under pressure in the downside. And here we will see the third negative diversion. My dear friends, if you'll place an RSI indicators, even the RSI indicators has shifted into the negative side. Here you will see I had placed an RSI indicators, and in even the indicator showing the negative diversion. If you'll see the price actions here, the price action is giving you higher highs over here, but the same thing in the RSI indicator is tilting on the downside. And this is an area where we got the breakdown clearly, and this breakdown going to pump a downside momentum on this stock. So be very very careful if you are on the buy side, uh, and you have still time to take some actions, or you can initiate a short selling position to earn a handsome amount of profit on the downside. And now we will see the fourth negative signal, and that will be in chart pattern. If you'll see a closer look over here, my dear friends, you'll be able to witness an head and shoulder pattern over here. Here you can see this is a shoulder, and this will be the head, and this is another shoulder. I'm sorry, friends. And this is a neckline. It's already got broken down on this neckline, and very soon you will witness the stock will be coming to fill this gap over here, $79. And after that, there may be a possibility the stock may take a support near to $76, and this will be an area for the stop loss of the short seller. So in case if the stock give you a close about $90, then we may see the positive upside momentum. But that is very rare chance the stock will give you a close above this. If the stock gives you a close above this 89 point around $90, then we may see the upside momentum, and by this way we can see the upside momentum, but there will be a very less rare chances. And and my dear friends, and I want to also update you that this area will be now going to act as a strong resistance. This was earlier, it was in strong support. Now it has triggered into a strong resistance because multiple negative factors we had identified over here. The first negative signal is the higher highs shifted to lower lows, and we have seen the upward sloping parallel channel got broken down on the downside, and then we have seen the negative diversion between the price actions and the RSI indicators, and then we have seen the negative chart pattern, that is head and shoulder pattern. So with all these negative diversions, this area has turned into an important resistance. Earlier this area was in support area, but now it has turned into an important resistance, and now even the short seller stop loss will be above this important resistance. The stop loss of the short seller will be above this important resistance, so that it won't get triggered easily. So my dear friends, there are more chances that you will see this stock will be coming near to this area. The ultimate targets of this will be over here, my dear friends, very soon. And if, my dear friends, if you like my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and support my channel with subscription, my dear friends. Thank you. Bye bye.